What is it?
Are we...
Wow.
Turn it over.
I don't think we're gonna have room in the car. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
My gosh, you got a lot of dolls to play with.
Woo-wee.
You think you have enough?
This is Tinkerbell.
Is it? Good.
Are you sure?
You like Tinkerbell?
No, they're not Tinkerbell.
That's not Tinkerbell.
Oh. I didn't think
This
so, but I
is
wasn't
the
going to argue.
mermaid.
Yeah, it's the mermaid. Is
Okay.
Brave, the girl
Oh,
from
and
Brave in
we
there?
call it Ariel.
Where's Rapunzel?
Yeah, that's right.
Where's Rapunzel?
Ariel.
Michelle, can you find Rapunzel?
Okay. I
Okay.
know where it is.
Yeah, you found it. Good job.
Girls are the one with the long hair.
Did you have a good Christmas, girls?
Yeah.
Michelle?
Wait.
Wait, you found another one? I think that might be Grandma's too.
It is. She can open it. However, the girls got to open theirs.
Yeah.